Oh my god, that's so sparkly. Oh my god. Okay. Hello, you beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Lucy Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, please don't forget to hit subscribe, give this video a thumbs up and turn that notification bell on just so you don't miss any of my future videos. Did you miss me yesterday? I know I was meant to be uploading this video yesterday, but I was in a foul mood. My period just come in, so a bit TMI. But I just want to be honest with you, I was not in the mood to film at all. I was emotional, then I was okay, then I was angry. I was just all over the shop. So I skipped yesterday's upload and we're back at it again. So today we are unboxing the I Heart Revolution Chocolate Vault Tin. So this retails for £80 on the Superdrug website. It hasn't came out on Revolution's website just yet. And this was actually discounted to begin with. Again, I have no idea why it was discounted, but it went down to £23. So I snatched that bad boy up. Like I said, it's now £80. If you've missed any of my previous videos, I've already unboxed the Revolution 12 Days of Christmas Advent Calendar, the £80 Advent Calendar, and obviously today we are unboxing this bad boy. And then tomorrow's video is going to be a full review of the Revolution Pro Glow Goddess collection. So that's coming tomorrow. And then the day after is going to be a full reveal of the Cookie Tin I Heart Revolution gift set from Revolution. And then the day afterwards is going to be a full reveal of the Revolution The Rose Renaissance collection gift set. So we're just like Christmas mad this week. I do have a full Christmas to 21 playlist that I've made, so I'll leave that link down below if you want to go check it out. It's going to have all Advent calendar unboxing, Christmas hauls, anything Christmas related is going to be in that playlist. So yeah, let's just get straight into this £80 tin. The packaging for this tin is absolutely adorable. It is so heavy. I got my friend Lizzie it because she couldn't get it in her Superdrug, one of my patrons, and I sent it to her and posted it to her. And this and the 12 Days Advent Calendar was like 3.3 kilograms. It is such good quality and really heavy and just looks. So this is what the lid looks like, and I love this. I love that it's all tissued, so it just looks like this. I think it's actually adorable. So let's open this together. So you take off the first layer of tissue, and then as you can see, they've tissued the sides, and then they've got all the products inside. Please let me know if you want me to do a full review, kind of testing the products in these gift sets and which one you want me to start with, where you want me to begin, because obviously we have a lot to get through, so please do let me know if that's something that you want me to do. So first one we have is a palette. Like it's Christmas Day because I'm like unwrapping it myself. I love this. First up we have the Toffee Hazelnut Shadow Palette. So she just looks like this. Ooh, okay, this is a very Lucy palette. So this is just what she looks like. You can see this is what my laptop looks like when I'm filming. That's why I always look down here, because I can see myself, so I can make sure that I'm in focus. But yeah, this is what the palette looks like. Oh, that is absolutely beautiful. And then we have another palette. This one is the Ruby Cocoa Crumble palette. So this is what she looks like. And then let's have a look inside together. Ooh, okay, so yeah, definitely more pinky toned. Yeah, and some browns, a bit of gold. This is just what she looks like. Oh my god. I'll do it that way around so you can actually see the names, because I think the names are always so cute as well. It's like Fruity Berry, Sugar Crush, Pink Raspberry, Chocoholic, Afternoon Tea. Like super cute. Then we have another little layer of tissue. This is actually adorable. So in the first layer we have more goodies. It's like a pass the parcel gift set. I love it. So we have a little mirror. Ooh, mine is cracked, if you can see it there. I said this in my previous one. Please stop putting these in gift sets. Everybody worldwide, like Advent calendars, gift sets, we don't need them. So in this next layer we have 3 little palettes. We have this little blue one to begin with. This is the Blueberry Pie palette, and I saw Alex's picture of this and it looks beautiful. So this is just what it looks like. So a little mini palette. Look how many mattes there is. Thank you so much, Revolution. Like, loads of mattes for once. We actually have 5 mattes and 3 shimmers, and the mattes that are in here are exactly what I would want. So a dark blue, a lighter blue, a nude. I probably would have changed this one for another one, but you know, beggars can't be choosers. And this is a really, really nice colour as well. And then we obviously have these three as shimmers. The next one, this is a Caramel Glaze highlighter palette. So it's a little highlighter duo. So we have like a pink one and then like more of a, probably like a rosy goldy one, would you call that? And then the last little mini palette that we have is a contour palette, which just looks like this. Somebody made a comment on my video the other day that said that like advent calendars, because I mentioned about advent calendars not catering to all skin tones and all skin types and all that kind of stuff, but having it so they have like options like a light, a medium and a dark as well. So I think that would be really, really good, but it's whether brands would do that or not is another question. So down to the last layer, we've got more to go still. The last layer of the tin. It's actually crazy how much stuff is in here. So the first thing that I can see is a makeup fixing spray. This is a salted caramel. Oh my god, we're gonna have to smell it. Oh, that smells unbelievable. That is literally salted caramel. It smells like my caramel that I put in my iced coffee. Okay, that, wow. That's gonna make me so hungry when I use that, but that smells amazing. We have 3 brushes in here as well. And I mentioned this in the advent calendars that obviously Revolution are doing a huge, huge reduction on plastic. And they did that last year with all the Christmas gift sets and advent calendars as well. That was the first year of them like really pushing that. So that's why we have like these little paper things for the brushes, which I absolutely love. And they're easier to get in than having them individually wrapped in plastic as well, especially when you've got nails. So this is just what the little 3-piece brushes look like. I literally can never have enough brushes, so I'm absolutely buzzing that I've got these as well. We have 2 little individually wrapped products. I'm assuming that these will be glosses. So, oh my god, that's so sparkly. So we have a lip gloss. This one just says I Hate Revolution Chocolate. Doesn't say a specific name to it, or does it? Gorgie? Is that the name for it? It's very, very hard to read it. And this is just what it looks like. Really, really nice and sparkly. And then we have another one. And this one is the shade Bittersweet. You can read that one a lot better. And then this is just what she looks like. And then last but not least, and I think, and I'm hoping that we've saved the best till last, we have a big palette. So this is the I Heart Revolution Chocolate palette. There's 30 shades in here. That is actually crazy. So this is just what she looks like. Oh, oh my god. Okay. Oh my god, I actually love the names that are in this. So it has got a little mirror on the top, and this is just what she looks like. And then when you hold her up close, this is just what she looks like. I love the names of this. So we've got like almond butter, peppermint jelly, nuts, sweetie, organic, triple choc, cherry deluxe, bittersweet, buttercream, snacks, hot chocolate, roasted candies, chocolate orange, which is amazing because it's the orange colour. Wow, okay. What do you think of this? What do you think of this gift set? Because obviously for £23, this is unbelievable. But what do you think about it for £80 whilst it's like actually at the normal price? Like, would you wait for it to go on the sale if it goes on the sale, or would you be happy and feel like you're getting your money's worth for £80? Like, I'd love to know what you think down below. I've loved it when you've been commenting on my previous videos just to get people's different ideas and perspectives. I love having a little chit chat with you. So let me know what you think down below, whether you think this is worth £80. Or whether you'd rather wait for it to go down in the sale, if it does go into the sale. They normally typically do, but please let me know. But just to recap, in this gift set we get 2 full-size palettes. We get a huge 30 eyeshadow palette in it as well. We get 3 minis. One is a mini eye palette, one is a mini highlighter palette, and one is a mini chocolate palette, like a contour palette. We get 3 brushes inside it as well. We have the most delicious smelling fixing spray ever. It smells unbelievable. And then we also have 2 glosses as well. So what do you think? Worth £80? Is it not worth £80? Please let me know. And let me know as well, do you want me to do like a full face testing like this gift set itself, and if so, what eyeshadow palette do I use, because there's like 4 for us to choose from. Do I go for the big one? Do I go for the individual ones? Do I go for the mini one? Please let me know which eyeshadow palette that I should try when I do a full face test in this gift set, because it'll help me so much. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you tomorrow for my Revolution Pro Glow Goddess or Goddess Glow collection reveal and try on and tutorial and everything. And then we'll be back the next day with the cookie tin, and the day after with the Rose Renaissance collection reveal as well. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to hit subscribe, and welcome to my little family. We've not long hit 12,000 subscribers, which is actually crazy. So once I'm kind of caught up with my videos, there is going to be a giveaway coming very, very soon as well. So you don't want to miss out. Make sure you hit subscribe. I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Love you. Bye.